Hi, I'm Curtis Duval, and I just wanted to take a moment to share my experience on chiropractic care. I recently had severe migraines that literally put me down for well over a week. I could not work at all. I was in bed in tears, a pillow over my head. I had to take a trip to the ER where they gave me 2 shots of Dilaudid, which barely took the edge off, and I am one of those people who are highly against medicating a problem. So after almost 11 days in severe pain and multiple medications and no relief at all, I came up to see Dr. Otto, and literally within 15 minutes of my first treatment, I started to notice significant changes. By the time I got home, my wife immediately said she could recognize a difference in my face, my attitude, my demeanor. I knew